Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly game-changing, building a genuine passive income stream using the power of automation. Forget the hype and the get-rich-quick schemes. I'm going to show you a real, practical method using incredible tools and 8N and Autopt. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep or while you're on vacation, this is the video you've been waiting for. By the end of this, you'll have a clear, step-by-step blueprint to build your own automated business. Sound good? Well, let's get started. First things first, what are these tools? Think of N8N as the ultimate digital connector. It has a workflow automation tool that lets you link different apps and services together without writing a single line of code. It's the engine of our operation. Then we have Autopt, which is like giving your computer a brain. It's an AI agent that can reason, plan, and execute complex tasks all by itself. When you combine N8N's ability to connect everything with Autopt's intelligence, you get a system that can run a business for you. This isn't just about scheduling social media posts. We're talking about a system that can find clients, create content, and even deliver the final product all on its own. All right, let's get our hands dirty and set this up. The first step is getting N8N running. You can use their cloud service for an easy start, or for more control, you can self-host it on a server. I recommend starting with the cloud version. It's quick and you can get going in minutes. Once you're in your N8N dashboard, you'll need to set up your credentials for the different services you want to connect. This will include your Google account, maybe a social media account, and most importantly, your API key for OpenAI, which powers Autopt. Getting these credentials is straightforward. Just follow the instructions in the N8N docs for each service. This initial setup is the foundation, so take your time and make sure everything is connected properly. It's a one-time setup that will save you hundreds of hours later. Now for the exciting part, building your first automated workflow. Let's imagine we want to create a service that generates blog post ideas for clients. Our workflow will start with a trigger. This could be a new entry in a Google Sheet, an email to a specific address, or a form submission on your website. For this example, let's use a simple webhook. And this webhook receives a request with a topic, like digital marketing trends. It kicks off our automation. The first node in our workflow will take that topic and pass it to the OpenAI node, which is configured to act like Autopt. We'll give it a clear prompt, something like, you are an expert content strategist. Generate 5 engaging and SEO-friendly blog post titles based on the topic. Input topic. The AI will then work its magic and generate the titles. With the titles generated, the next step is to deliver them. We will add another node to our workflow. This could be a Gmail node that sends an email back to the client with the fresh blog ideas. Or it could be a Google Sheets node that adds the titles to a shared spreadsheet. See how powerful this is? From a single trigger, we've automated research, creation, and delivery. We've just built a simple yet complete business process. Now, we test. We send a sample topic to our webhook and watch the magic happen. We check our email or Google Sheet to make sure the output is exactly what we expected. Testing and refining your prompts is key. A small tweak to your instructions for the AI can dramatically improve the quality of the results. Once your system is running smoothly, it's time to think about scaling. How do you turn this from a cool project into a real income source? First, expand your services. Instead of just blog titles, could your workflow write the entire blog post? Or create social media content? Or generate video scripts? The possibilities are endless. Just add more steps and more sophisticated prompts to your N8N workflow. Second, think about monetization. You could Set up a subscription service using Stripe and use the Stripe node in N8N to trigger your workflow automatically whenever a customer pays. You can also market your service on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and use their apps to automate order fulfillment. The beauty of this system is that it scales effortlessly. Whether you have one client or 100, the automation handles it all. You're no longer trading your time for money. You're building an asset that works for you 24/7. And that's the blueprint for building your own passive income machine with N8N and Autoct. We've gone from understanding the tools to setting them up, building a workflow, and planning for scale. This is the future of online business, and you can start building it today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on automation and AI. Let me know in the comments what kind of automated business you're going to build. I can't wait to see what you create. See you in the next video.